Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I'm going to show you this 42-inch console table that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that the assembly process was really easy. Actually, my wife did it, and I think it took her like probably 25 minutes, no more than that. Everything is explained right here. You will need power tools only if you want. If you don't, it comes with the tools that you will need, but just spare like 30 minutes if you're alone, and you're gonna get it done super easy. But this one, which is 42 inches by 16 inches deep by 31.5 inches tall, this one is going to be really good for a couple of scenarios. For example, like an entryway in your house, it could be really good for that, just for dropping the keys, putting some candles, some kind of like decorations. Also, like this one for the kitchen, you can actually use it as a console table for things like your knives, your kind of like cutting boards, your KitchenAid or something like that. You can use it just to put some fruit and veggies as well. It's gonna look like really cool. And this is Minnie, my cat. But also this one could be kind of like a vanity or like a desk for working from home, because it's deep enough to put a tablet, a laptop, and one or two monitors, and even use your mouse. Let's actually take a closer look. So right here, you're gonna find a few things that we really like. For example, this kind of like drawers right here, and you can see that you can also mount it to the wall if you want. So that's going to be really good in case that you want to put a little bit more firm. It comes with this golden metal accents right here, as well as the handle, and also on the legs you're going to find the same thing, the same accents. By the way, the legs are going to be really reinforced, so that is really good. But super smooth two drawers in this really nice wooden platform. Here you can take a better look with the two drawers open. So this is going to be kind of like deep drawers, and of course you can put a lot of things in there. But if that is not enough, you also have the bottom shelf, which is going to be also really good to put some appliances, for example, or a printer, or if you're working from home, something that you're going to use every day. But this surface over here, it has this really nice white wooden board, which, by the way, it also comes in two other colors, so check them out. Again, one more time, 42 inches wide, 16 inches deep, and 31 inches tall. So I think this one looks really good either in a kitchen, in an office, in a bathroom, not bathroom, or like the entryway of your house, or like a living room, kind of like on the back of a couch, you know. And it's also cat approved, as you can see over here. I like it. We like it. I hope you like it too. I do recommend.